Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to another video. Um, Sorry my face is really red. I just got out of the shower. um, Today I wanted to talk to you about dryer balls. Look how cute these guys are. They're actually hedgehogs. I've had them for, I guess, about a month or so. You can already see the little nose is starting to come off of the tip. The little tip of the nose is starting to rub off. And they got brown on their spikes or whatever. But, like I said, I started using these guys about a month ago. I can't get over how cute they are. So, we actually have an older set washer and dryer. I mean, when I mean old, these things are probably older than I am, and I'm almost 30. Maybe they're not quite that old, but they're pretty old. We actually got them. My mom, she does, she likes to go buy older stuff and resell it or whatever, fix it up and resell it, and she actually went and bought this guy's, whole house, not his house, but everything that was in his house, and so the washer and dryer actually came with it, and it was, like I said, they were both real old, and she just wasn't going to be able to sell or do anything with them, so she stored them over here at our house, and just so happened, not long after, the washer and dryer we had actually went out, so we hooked both of them up and started using them. We've been using these for about 2 years now, so, but, they're definitely not energy efficient, let's just say that. The washer does fine, no problems with the washer. Now the dryer, we would have to basically run it twice to get our clothes dry. I mean, I'm not trying to make any of this up. This is all true. We would run run the dryer twice. So not only is that not energy efficient, but it takes so much longer, to get your clothes or towels, whatever it is you're washing, done, because you're having to dry everything twice, So, and so I had been, and I was also using dryer sheets, which, I've been, looking online and stuff, and they say dryer sheets is not really the best thing to be using. I mean, not only are they full of chemicals and that kind of stuff, but they also, they do something, or they put like a coating or something on your clothes so they don't, I don't know, they don't dry properly, or with your towels, they don't absorb water like they're supposed to, or whatever. So, I've been trying to do research and everything and trying to figure out, but I was so skeptical because, the cat just walked in. I was so skeptical because they were saying, a lot of reviews and stuff said that it didn't get rid of the static as well as just normal dryer sheets or whatever, and I was just like, oh my god, I don't want my stuff all staticky, sticking together, whatever. So, but I found these little guys. I seriously can't get over how cute they are. I found these at World Market. We were in there, and I think they were like $8 or something for the set, for these two. And they're hedgehogs. I mean, they were just so adorable. And I was like, let me grab them and try them, I mean, it can't hurt. I mean, because I've heard that they actually cut your drying time in half, Instead of using dryer sheets, throw these in there, and, your drying time, they say it cuts your drying time in half, whatever. But I was skeptical, but these things actually work. I'm not kidding. They work so good. We only have to run the dryer one time. I mean, no joke. Throw these in. I've stopped using dryer sheets. I have some. I'll probably give them away or something to somebody that I know or whatever. But, yeah, I mean, The cat just jumped up there. Yeah, so I have stopped using dryer sheets. And I know they have so many different ones of these that you can find and use. My hair thing just fell out. They have so many ones. They have so many that you can actually find on Amazon, at Walmart. I mean, even Walmart has them. There's so many ones that you can find out there. But they got plastic, they got the wool, they got some made with sheep's wool, which I guess is wool. I don't know much about that, but I know they got some you can put your essential oils on, which I do love my essential oils, but my husband's real weird about smells and stuff, so. But yeah, they got these are just plastic, and so you throw them in there, and they do heat up, so when they come out, they're like squishy, not squishy, but like soft, like like right now, you can hear they're pretty hard, but yeah, they'll soften up after being in the dryer or whatever a little bit. But yeah, I mean, these honestly, they're a must-have for laundry. I mean, I'm not even kidding. I mean, you see people talk about that stuff all the time, like must-have, blah blah blah. These you seriously need. If you have a dryer, you need a set of dryer balls. Now, like I said, you can do your own research, whether you want to get the wool, whether you want to get the plastic, that's up to you, but these are an essential, I think. I think I was just looking on Amazon right before I started doing this, and I even saw little cactuses. They even have penguins and stuff too, so they got all different ones you can choose from. But yeah, so definitely go, like I said, do your research, check it out, and then just buy you a set. They're pretty cheap. I mean, they run, $8 to $10, $15, whatever. Probably get some even cheaper, even as cheap as like $6 or something. But yeah, I mean, they're fairly cheap. I mean, especially if you're buying dryer sheets like I was all the time, so they're pretty cheap, and they really, really work. No kidding. So yeah, so that's pretty much all I wanted to say about it. But I think everyone needs a set of these. If you own a dryer, you need these. So, but yeah, so that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.